Effective leadership is about inspiring and guiding others to achieve common goals. A good leader listens to their team, communicates clearly, and motivates them to do their best. Leadership is not about control. It's about influence and collaboration. A great leader also sets a good example by working hard and staying positive even in challenging situations. When a leader is confident, respectful, and empathetic, the team feels valued and works together more effectively to reach their objectives. Leadership is a journey of continuous learning and improvement.
Trust is the foundation of effective leadership. A leader must be honest and dependable so that the team can rely on them in any situation. Trust builds a strong connection between the leader and the team members, creating a sense of security and support. When people trust their leader, they feel safe and motivated to share ideas, take risks, and solve problems. In the end, trust makes everyone stronger, more united, and more successful as a team. A trustworthy leader inspires confidence and loyalty in every team member.
Clear communication is another key skill for a leader. Explaining goals, giving instructions, and listening to feedback are essential. A leader should ensure everyone understands their role, responsibilities, and expectations. Clear communication helps to avoid misunderstandings, reduces conflict, and keeps the team focused on their shared objectives. It's also a way to show respect for everyone's opinions and ideas. When a leader communicates openly and effectively, it creates a positive and collaborative work environment. In the manes,
Empathy is what makes a leader truly connect with their team. Understanding the feelings, challenges, and needs of team members helps create a positive and supportive environment. When leaders genuinely care about the people they work with, it builds loyalty, trust, and a stronger bond. An empathetic leader knows how to solve conflicts with fairness and make decisions that benefit the entire team. Empathy is a powerful tool that inspires commitment and teamwork, leading to long-term success.
a leader must also be decisive. Making quick and thoughtful decisions is a part of the job. When challenges arise, a leader should evaluate the situation, consider all options, and choose the best course of action. Being decisive shows confidence and helps the team feel secure, knowing that their leader is in control and ready to act. A decisive leader earns the respect of their team, creating a sense of stability and direction that keeps everyone motivated and focused.
Problem solving is a critical skill for any leader. Challenges will always come up, and a strong leader must know how to face them with confidence and creativity. This involves analyzing the issue, exploring different solutions, and implementing them efficiently. When a leader is a good problem solver, the team feels confident and supported during difficult times. Effective problem solving also encourages innovation, as the leader demonstrates how to turn obstacles into opportunities.
Adaptability is another essential quality of effective leadership. The world is constantly changing, and leaders must be flexible to keep up. Being open to new ideas, technologies, and adjusting strategies as needed can make a big difference in achieving success. Adaptable leaders inspire their teams to embrace change, remain resilient, and work towards shared goals. This flexibility is what sets apart good leaders from great ones, ensuring long-term success in any environment.
Great leaders focus on developing their team members. They provide opportunities for growth and learning, such as training, workshops, or mentoring. Helping others improve their skills not only benefits the individual, but also strengthens the team as a whole. A leader who invests in their people shows that they care about their future and the success of the organization. This approach builds trust, loyalty, and a culture of continuous improvement within the team.
Time management is a skill that every leader must master. Managing time wisely helps leaders prioritize tasks and focus on what matters most. By organizing their day effectively and avoiding distractions, leaders can ensure that they and their teams are productive. A well-organized leader sets an example for others to follow, demonstrating the importance of planning and efficiency. Time management also helps reduce stress and ensures that deadlines are met without compromising quality.
Leaders should also encourage creativity within their teams. By creating a safe space for sharing ideas, leaders can inspire innovation and fresh perspectives. This openness leads to better problem solving and exciting new projects that push boundaries. Creativity keeps the team motivated, energized, and helps the organization stay ahead of the competition. When leaders value and encourage creativity, it sparks a sense of pride and accomplishment among team members.
A strong leader values collaboration and teamwork. They know that working together creates better results than working alone. Encouraging collaboration means ensuring everyone feels included, respected, and valued for their contributions. When people work together, they share skills, ideas, and strengths, leading to greater success for the whole team. Leaders who foster collaboration create a positive and dynamic work environment where innovation and productivity thrive.
Confidence is an important trait for any leader. A confident leader believes in their abilities and trusts their decisions. This confidence inspires the team and helps them stay motivated even during challenging times. However, confidence should always be balanced with humility, showing that the leader is open to learning, listening, and improving. A confident and humble leader earns the trust and admiration of their team, creating a strong foundation for success.
Great leaders inspire others by having a clear vision. They know what they want to achieve and share this vision with their team. When a leader communicates their goals effectively, it gives the team direction, purpose, and motivation to work harder. Having a shared vision brings everyone together, creating a sense of unity and focus. A visionary leader not only sees the future but also inspires others to build it with determination and creativity.
Leaders should practice fairness in all situations. Treating everyone equally and with respect builds trust and mutual understanding. A fair leader listens to all sides before making decisions, avoids favoritism, and ensures that everyone is treated with dignity. Fairness creates a positive and inclusive work environment where everyone feels valued and motivated to contribute. A fair leader earns the loyalty and respect of their team, fostering long-term success.
Leaders should lead by example in all aspects of their role. They must demonstrate the behaviors and attitudes they expect from their team, whether it's working hard, staying positive, or being respectful. A leader who leads by example inspires others to do the same. Actions always speak louder than words, and a leader's actions set the tone for the entire team. Leading by example builds credibility, trust, and a strong sense of accountability.
Effective leaders show resilience during tough times. Challenges are inevitable, but how a leader responds to them defines their impact. A resilient leader stays calm, focused, and determined, inspiring the team to do the same. They see difficulties as opportunities to grow and improve rather than as roadblocks. Resilience is not about avoiding failure, but learning from it and bouncing back stronger. This quality keeps the team motivated and united, even in the face of adversity.
Gratitude is a trait often overlooked in leadership, but is essential for long-term success. Leaders who express appreciation for their team's efforts create a positive and motivating environment. Whether it's a simple thank you or public recognition, showing gratitude boosts morale and encourages employees to continue working hard. A grateful leader builds stronger relationships with their team and fosters a culture of mutual respect and loyalty.
Leaders must also be emotionally intelligent. Understanding their own emotions and those of others helps leaders handle situations with empathy and sensitivity. Emotional intelligence allows leaders to resolve conflicts, provide constructive feedback, and maintain a harmonious team dynamic. It's a skill that strengthens communication and trust, ensuring that the team feels supported and valued. Emotionally intelligent leaders inspire loyalty, respect, and dedication from their teams.
Effective leaders focus on long-term goals without losing sight of immediate needs. Balancing short-term tasks with a vision for the future is key to sustainable success. Planning, prioritizing, and staying adaptable helps leaders manage this balance effectively. A leader who can navigate both the present and the future ensures that the team stays on track and continues to grow. This approach creates a strong foundation for achieving organizational goals.
Great leadership is about building a legacy. It's not just about achieving results, but also about inspiring others to become leaders themselves. Mentoring, coaching, and empowering team members ensure that the leader's impact continues even after they're gone. A leader who invests in their team's growth creates a culture of excellence, innovation, and resilience. Ultimately, great leadership leaves a lasting positive impression that benefits the organization and its people for years to come.